Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. This video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to discuss how to average in or how to buy multiple times while you're in a trade already and what you should be looking for as a trader if you decide to buy and then buy more and then buy more or vice versa sell. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. Talk to your broker and just understand the risks involved with trading. So this video is going to focus on a situation where if you enter, let's say, long into the market and you have another opportunity to go long again, should you, and how to manage the trade. I'm showing you the Atlas line as well as a trade scalper signal that just appeared 31.47. So price is trading above the Atlas line. Atlas line is software provided by DayTradeToWin. It's proprietary software, as is the trade scalper. And so entering long here at 31.47 long, it's based off of the signal, the trade scalper. We're using the E-mini S&P. And so I want to enter long here at 31.47. Now it's important that I don't chase the market, that I try to get the best fill possible. Usually I say within a tick. That's a good opportunity to go long. And so you want to try to enter long or short within a reasonable time as well as within a reasonable distance from where the order occurred. 31.47, 31.47.50, that's the signal. Now, after you have entered long, everyone who has the trade scalper has this exact same signal. We manage the trade. Managing the trade, very simple. Understand the conditions, have a target, have a stop. Looking at the current conditions, you see that there is a target of 2.5 points, and that's based off the ATR. So I know very specifically what my target is, and I have my stop in place. Now, as this trade evolves, I'm looking to exit the market, but it may not happen. The market may go sideways, the market may go down, I may get stopped out, but I'm waiting for that target. If the target is not hit within a time-based stop or within a certain amount of bars, certain amount of time like I teach, then you should look to exit the trade. But what if another trade long occurs? What do you do at that point? So the goal in this example, in this E-mini trade, which actually occurred on July 10th, I want to be able to re-enter, add a position a second time while I'm in this trade. Now, it's not just about jumping back in, saying, okay, I'm going to do an average fill type of trade. Look for and wait for the signal that says it's time to go long once again. So I'm not suggesting that we just blindly jump in a second time. Have a reason. What is the reason to enter long again? At this point, there's no reason to re-enter long. But if there is an opportunity to re-enter long, it could be based on the Atlas line signal. It could be based on a blueprint, which is another method taught at the mentorship. It could be based off another trade scalper signal. But you have to have a reason to re-enter long and not just double down on a trade if it's not going in your favor. So I want to make sure everyone is clear that we're just following the software, following the signals. And since we had a trade scalper signal, managing the trade as we progress, looking for that target. If there's another signal to go long, there's nothing wrong in taking that signal as well. Now, if you like these videos and you find them informative, please subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. I try to teach and show everyone the signals, the software, the trades as they happen in order to answer, especially the new traders who have questions about how to start trading, how to learn how to trade. I try to cover the basis as well as for the more experienced traders as well. So we're looking for the opportunity to either get out at a target, we have our stop, we're looking to manage this trade based on the stops that are involved, or if there's another signal to enter long, I want to take that. So as you can see here, the pullback trade P there is for pullback. It's an Atlas line signal indicating to enter long based on that particular signal. It's the Atlas line giving you pullback trade. So entering long for a reason, it's an Atlas line pullback signal. So now we have two positions. We have the first position at 31.47 on the trade scalper, and we have a second position long as well at relatively the same price. It's not that far away. It's a little bit higher on an Atlas line pullback trade. What that means is that we have, and we're doubled up, we have the target. The ATM strategy allows us to do that, and we have a stop. Again, managing the trade with a time-based stop, a prove-it stop, a catastrophic stop. This is all taught during the training and in the courses. If this trade does not make a profit, then you're out. We have a loss. If the trade makes a target, you have now made on double position the target of roughly 2 points, which is 8 ticks. In this example, it's 8 ticks. So we now have to manage the trade moving forward. So what we're doing is we're adding a position in the same direction, which is important, always going long. They're only long trades, adding a position and looking for a target. Now, if you moved the target to 31.49, it would be 1.4 ticks for all of the positions that you have. I'm going to keep it there at 31.50. Now, as we progress into this trade, I'm still long these two positions based on the trade scalper signal and the Atlas line pullback trade. But there's another long opportunity developing. It's going to be the strength trade on the Atlas line. So the Atlas line software provides pullback trades, strength trades, bounce trades, and the main signals. And this strength trade to go long is another good indication that we should hold our long position. I'm not suggesting that we should enter a third time. So we're re-entering a third time because it's relatively at the same price. And as you can see there, the S's indicate strength. So it's another opportunity to buy the market if you're not already long on the trade scalper or the initial pullback, to go long once again on the strength trade. But I'm not going to do that. I have already two positions to the long side. And the targets are the same. The stops are the same. I'm not going to change anything. I'm waiting for either the target or the stop to be hit. 31.50 is what I want. That equates to about 2 points, 8 ticks, minus any broker's commission, which is negligent nowadays. It's probably a couple dollars, and possibly any slippage. If you're using a market order or an MIT order, you may get a tick of slippage. I'm using a limit order there, and you see it just pushed through and went long. So the goal here is to understand if you have a long opportunity, and while you're in this long trade, another long opportunity exists. You don't have to exit or get out. You can hold and maintain that first position, or you can add a second position if your count permits it. My name is John Paul. Hope you enjoyed the video. Email me if you have any questions. And the next group mentorship class begins July 22nd. Hope to see you there. Until next time, good trading. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.